engagement at the earliest. The two sides remain committed to the objective of complete disengagement and full restoration of peace and tranquility in the India-China border areas. The two sides will continue their diplomatic and military engagements to achieve these outcomes. The disengagement process currently underway in the western sector is specifically aimed at addressing face-off situations and close-up deployments of troops along the LAC. It is based on an understanding between senior military commanders. Both sides have agreed at specific points to redeploy towards their regular posts on their respective sides of the LAC.
बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक के दौरान पीपल्स ने अहम भूमिका निभाई थी और इस वक्त संजय चौधरी के साथ मंजितने की फॉरवर्ड एयरबेस आज तक
Our position on this issue is clear and consistent. South China Sea is a part of global commons and India has an abiding interest in peace and stability in the region. We firmly stand for the freedom of navigation and overflight and unimpeded lawful commerce in these international waterways in accordance with international law, notably UNCLOS. India also believes that any differences be resolved peacefully by respecting the legal and diplomatic processes and without resorting to threat or use of force.